Yo, Joe and Kathy Faye coming at you from Southern Coastal Cooking. What are we making tonight?
A lasagna!
Okay, yeah, we're going to make a white sauce chicken lasagna tonight. Just a quick and easy thing for during the week. I smoked some chicken breasts the other day, and we chopped those up.
Yeah.
And we're going to use those as the meat in our what? What are we making?
A lasagna!
There we go, y'all. Come on with it. So first, we got to make the sauce here for the lasagna.
Yep.
We got some butter heating up, and I'll get y'all some measurements in the description box. This is just, we're making a, I don't know, kind of fairly big batch, but we just got this off the internet. And yeah, so we got some butter. I think we've got right here 6 tablespoons of butter. We're just going to let that come up to a good simmer. I've already melted it, but then we're going to go in with some garlic. I got a few tablespoons of garlic.
What is
We're going to put in there as soon as that butter starts to sizzle real good. All right, y'all, basically what we're doing now, we're making a roux for this sauce. So our butter's simmering.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw in some minced garlic.
Yep.
Okay. I'll put about 4 teaspoons of that in there. All right, right there. And then I've got some flour. How much flour I got in there? About 6 tablespoons. I'll let you pour it in this. Okay. Oh, this is really high. I'll let you pour it in a minute, okay? All right, that's that. Okay. Now we're just going to kind of stir this around, y'all, and get this good mix on. This is going to be a very blonde roux. We don't want much browning or anything to this, because this is going to definitely need a good consistency to hold the sauce together, okay? So now, what we got is we're going to stir in this flour.
Yep.
As we already got in, sorry. Cook for about 30 seconds or so. Now we got milk, or actually half and half. I got 5 cups. Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Milk.
That's it.
Now, Daddy's gonna pour it in.
A little bit by little bit.
Yep.
Ooh, just don't make a mess, because what happens if we make a mess?
Mommy gets mad.
Yeah. Very mad. Okay. Stirring that in there.
Yep.
All right, now keep adding that. And kind of just bring this to a simmer. I'll come right back to y'all.
Yep.
Y'all, now this just came to a simmer. Now started to boil. That's all we want to do. Now we're about to add some of our ingredients into it as we take it off the heat. Okay.
We got chicken, sugar, and butter.
That's, well, it's actually chicken and Parmesan cheese and cream cheese, but we'll take it. So we're going to make the sauce, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's look here. We got that hot milk mixture there with the roux. And I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Yep.
We'll add that in there.
Yep.
And then, Catherine Faye, can you put that Parmesan cheese in there?
Yep.
Okay.
There's
Put the whole thing. Dump the whole thing in there.
The whole
Yeah,
thing?
the whole thing.
Whoa, I bet that's good.
All right, stir it around.
Wait. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir.
Okay. We'll stir that till that's well mixed. And then we'll continue, okay?
Okay.
All right, just keep stirring. So we're about to assemble the lasagna. Now first, we've got a little lasagna pan, La Crochet. Got a little olive oil in there. We're gonna put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of this pan. Let's kind of spread that around a little bit. That should be good. Not like that, okay?
Ew.
Oh, sorry, Catherine Faye. All right, Catherine Faye, if you can put the noodles in. She's going to put 3 right across the bottom. Okay. There we go. Let's help out a little bit. Okay. Got that one there. Okay. Now put 2 more in there.
This one.
There we go. Nice and even. All right. I think we can fit 1 more. Okay. Help you a little bit there. Okay. Now, we got those in there. Now we need to put some of this This right here is ricotta cheese.
Yeah.
Now, Catherine Faye, what I want you to do is we're gonna put a little of this down, and I want you to smooth it out. Let me put it in here.
Okay.
Okay. All right, spread that around.
Okay. Spread, 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 spreading all around.
Okay.
Spread, 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 spread. Spread it all.
All right, that's very good.
Okay.
Sprinkle some chicken on top, please. That's just that cubed up smoked chicken we had. Yeah, just get that nice and even on there. Well, this is gonna have some real flavor from that smokiness from the Lone Star. We did that chicken the other day. Use that good recipe where you kind of poach it in butter there toward the end. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get that in there.
Can I pour the whole thing in there?
Not yet, baby, because we got to do more layers. Okay, that's probably good for this one. Let's see, maybe a little bit more.
I really want to eat this chicken so bad.
I know, it's so yummy.
Can I eat it?
You can try a piece, yeah. Okay, so we got chicken in there. Now put some of this cheese on top, please. That's the mozzarella cheese. Just got to get it over there. All right. There you go. Yeah, just spread it nice and evenly. Very good, very good.
Oopsies.
That's enough for that one. There we go. Let's spread this around.
I spread a lot.
Yeah, let's put a little bit of that back because we'll have to save some. All right, now put a little bit of this cheese.
Okay, here. Okay. This small cheese.
That's the Parmesan. Okay, that's good. Just spread it around. So, there we go. All right, that's good. That's plenty. Okay, now Daddy's gonna put some more of the sauce on top. Okay. A little bit more of the sauce. Okay, just like that.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now we're putting in. That's okay. We're putting the sauce all on top.
Yep.
And what we do next is we put more noodles. Okay?
Yeah.
So, do you have those noodles? You know which ones to put on there? So let's spread that out.
Okay.
All right. We'll put you the 3 more noodles on there. Hold on, let me get a little bit more sauce over
All
here.
right.
We just got to be careful and take our time.
Yep.
Okay, put those noodles on there. And y'all, what we're gonna do is just keep on layering until we run out of ingredients, basically, and get these on there. Isn't that right?
Yep.
We'll keep on going.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see y'all in a few minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, there it goes.
Wait,
Y'all, we want to give this lasagna a little bit of Cajun kick. So, Catherine Faye, put some of that Cajun kick on that chicken. There we go on this layer. That's good. That's good. That's plenty. I like that. There we go. So we kicked it up. It's a new Cajun seasoning I'm trying. This stuff is really, really good. And yeah, we're gonna put that right in the middle of this lasagna. All right, y'all, we're ready to cook it.
Yep. Here it is.
What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna cook it
Okay, how long?
for 25 minutes.
Okay, at what temperature?
400 degrees.
Okay. So we let it cook for 25 minutes. Let's check it out. It looks all nice, brown, gooey, and bubbly right there. We're gonna let it set on the countertop for about 20 minutes. So do that before you serve it. All right, y'all,
I'm back now.
all right, it is done. We're gonna cut into it. Let's see.
Watch me try.
And I actually cooked it a little bit longer. I told you 25 minutes, but that was a smaller recipe of it, so I actually cooked it like 45 minutes almost. And I covered it toward the end, but anyway, just, Make sure it's hot enough for you. I like to cook to about 165 internal. Ooh, y'all look at that. That's some goodness right there. Let me take a picture of that real quick and get a little shot of, we got that cheese and all that goodness right there. Oh yeah. That's pretty. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to get this on this plate. Not making a mess, because, as Catherine Faye says, we don't want to get in trouble with Mommy. Isn't that right, Catherine Faye? Okay. Alright. Set that over there on a plate. Well, we're going to give it a little try. Look at that right there. Alright, let's give it a try, Catherine Faye.
Yep.
Your first lasagna. Very good, huh? Creamy chicken lasagna. Alright, tell the people bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like to subscribe, and in the comments let us know that you like the
lasagna
that we made.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. God bless.